Hi, we're at the Pine Mountain Trail, getting ready to do the Overlook Loop, 3.4 miles. And I've got a special guest with me.
My goodness.
And it is Kevin from Atypical Hiker. He's going to do it with me today.
That's right.
Now I'm gonna go over it, but I'm doing it a different way.
I don't like doing that.
Okay, I did it. That's it.
We need to name this area.
What is this area?
The rock garden or something. Look at it. Looks like you're in Pennsylvania.
The whites. We hit the whites. Look at this crazy. Look at this tree. Crazy.
That's a big tree.
All bent up in a weird position like that.
I go slow through this stuff.
Yeah, we need to go slow through here. Don't need nobody to fall. Hey, this is the whites, I guess, on the Appalachian Trail. I don't need to go up on the Appalachian Trail. We got them right here on Pine Mountain Trail. All the rocks you want.
So if you come to Pine Mountain in May,
first part of May, you get to see all this mountain laurel here at Pine Mountain. How about that, Kevin?
yeah, how about that? On Pine Mountain Trail.
Good afternoon, my friends. It is springtime now, and I brought out this stove I bought a few years ago from Japan. At that time, it was not offered to the American consumer, but it uses these butane canisters, and usually these are for $4 when you catch them on sale. A lot cheaper than buying the ISA, these here canisters. But the problem, why I said it's summertime now, is pure butane like this in the cold weather doesn't want to work. But this is it's got a couple of strikes against it. One, it's a little heavy, and but I did find out something about it.
Looks too big to me.
Well, it is. It's got two cons. One, it's a little heavy. Two, it's a little pricey. But it's got this nice platform.
I bet you can control the flame well on that one, though.
You can.
There you go. There's
listen,
your pro.
You see this here? I thought maybe that was a protector, because you're going to put this canister. Let's go in. There we go. Anyway, I thought it was a protector against spillage and stuff, but actually, I was watching a YouTube video, and these new little, I think these little square single burner stoves you find in a lot of Asian markets, and just about every Asian, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, they have one of these little square single burner stoves. Latest one I found out, they have a aluminum this aluminum that's close to the burner head that goes down into where and fits under this canister. And the reason that is because they want to bring some heat down here to help it in cold weather. Now, I thought originally...
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, originally I thought this was something to protect. It ain't nothing to protect. What can this say? I mean, what's it protecting? But anyway, what I'm thinking is, see, that goes right up into the flame and brings some heat down, and I think that would help you during the cold months. But see, now it's spring, so I'm bringing it back out. Now, I really like this one. A little windy today, but I really like this one. If you want to, I'm not going to take it on a through hike, but I'm not a through hiker, and my hikes are fairly short, so when I want to cook something other than boiling water, this little platform in this particular setup, works fine for me. Now I'm gonna turn it on.
It's piezo, works.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's got a nice flame on it. I can see that would be highly adjustable.
Yeah.
So there's a benefit of that type of stove.
Yeah.
But I'd use that more for car camping, something like that myself.
Well,
just because the canister size is
it has some cons to it, but like I say, my hikes, I haul it in here, 1.7 miles. I like using this in the summertime, especially if I'm on a short hike like this. Thank you, Kevin.
Alrighty.
All right, that's where we started, over there. And here's where we're gonna end with my buddy Kevin.
All done.
All done. So
we didn't really camp. We just walked across the street and made 2 separate videos.
yeah, we faked you out like. Well, all right. I guess I'll see you next week.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Thanks for watching.